Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the channel. Before I begin, here are my disclaimers. Today I am going to give you an update about Yibin City Commercial Bank Co. Limited annual report. Yibin City Commercial Bank Co. Limited offers a wide range of banking and financial services to small and micro enterprises in China. The bank provides various deposit products such as current accounts, regular deposits, personal and corporate notice deposits, fixed-term deposits, and savings accounts for education purposes. In terms of lending, the company offers different types of loans including credit, housing, working capital, small and micro enterprise loans, rural revitalization loans, and self-employed business loans. The bank also provides specialized services such as money flowing, payroll, collection, insurance agency, and bus IC card recharge agency. The bank's electronic banking services include online, mobile, and telephone banking, allowing customers to manage their accounts remotely. Additionally, the company offers technology, liquor, and green franchise services, as well as bill acceptance and discounting services, entrusted loans and guarantee services, and letter of credits. Furthermore, Yibin City Commercial Bank Co. Limited engages in wealth management and asset management, including financial product design and management. The bank also provides interbank lending, deposits, certificate of deposit, investment, bond repurchase, spot bond trading, and bill rediscounting services. The income statement shows that the company revenue have been declining annually and operating income have not been increasing. This shows that the business is under pressure with rising cost and its management is unable to expand the business. The company's financial performance indicates a significant improvement in its ability to generate cash flow. In 2025, the net cash generated from operating activities was $4,444,111, marking a substantial increase compared to the previous year. Conversely, in 2024, the company experienced a negative operating cash flow of $1,434,119. This stark contrast highlights the company's shift towards generating positive operating cash flow, which is a crucial indicator of its financial health and stability. The company's debt level has experienced significant changes over the past year. Notably, total financial liabilities have increased by 9.4% from $111,138,770 in 2024 to $121,056,229 in 2025. This increase is largely driven by a substantial rise in customer deposits, which have grown by 31.7%. On the other hand, borrowings from central banks and bonds issued remain unchanged. The interest expenses of the company are not explicitly stated in many summaries, but available information suggests that there may be an increase due to higher debt levels. The accrued interest has increased from RMB 1,192 in 2024 to RMB 3812 in 2025, indicating a rise in interest payments. However, the total interest paid has only increased by 1.3%, which is relatively modest compared to the significant increase in customer deposits and total financial liabilities. Overall, while there are some mixed signals regarding interest expenses, it appears that the company's debt level has increased significantly over the past year, with potential implications for future interest payments. The economic landscape of the region has shown a mixed bag of performances across various segments and regions. On the positive side, the Sichuan-Chongqing region has emerged as a standout performer, with its gross output value surpassing RMB 10 trillion. Within this region, Yibin City has also made significant strides, boasting an annual GDP of RMB 413.473 billion and ranking third in the province. Furthermore, emerging industries such as power batteries and intelligent connected new energy vehicles have shown rapid growth. In the banking sector, corporate banking has seen a notable increase in performance, with its share of total operating income rising from 72.7% to 75.4%. Additionally, financial market business has also experienced growth, increasing from 4.9% to 6.6% of total operating income. However, not all segments have fared equally well. Retail banking, for instance, has seen a decline in performance, with its share of total operating income decreasing from 22.4% to 17.2%. This dip in retail banking performance is a notable concern and warrants further attention. Management is optimistic about the company's lending business, expecting it to continue growing. To improve efficiency, they are adjusting asset structure by reducing relevant asset allocation and focusing on growing customer deposit scale. The company will focus on serving key customer segments through precise marketing strategies and resource integration. The corporate banking business remains a significant contributor to operating income, with a steady increase in net interest income. Management expects continued growth in this segment. The retail banking business saw an increase in net interest income from external customers, but a decrease in net fee and commission income. Management is focused on strengthening risk investigations and improving risk classification management, actively promoting the disposal of non-performing loans, and enhancing employees' compliance awareness and professional capabilities. They are also building and maintaining a positive image of the bank through proactive reputational risk management and public sentiment monitoring. The company's operating targets are set by the board and conveyed to management as strategic development guidance and risk appetite. Management is responsible for formulating the bank's business development strategy, determining its business plan and investment program, and overseeing the implementation of the business development strategy. Management's outlook and strategy focus on increasing customer deposits, growing loans and advances to customers, managing operating assets effectively, and maintaining a strong financial position through effective management of borrowings and other liabilities. The company will prioritize long-term development strategies and medium to long-term development outline, adjust its strategies based on changes in the business environment, and make major investment decisions accordingly. Overall, management is committed to improving efficiency, growing customer deposits, and managing risk effectively while maintaining a strong financial position and building a positive image of the bank. The company has a history of paying dividends to its shareholders. This is evident from various sections in the report that explicitly state the payment of dividends. On page 78, it is mentioned that dividends paid. Yes, confirming that the company has indeed paid out dividends. Further evidence can be found on pages 162 and 164, where specific amounts are listed for cash dividends and dividends paid respectively. The numbers indicate a significant payout to shareholders in both 2024 and 2025. Additionally, page 187 provides a summary of the company's dividend policy, stating that dividends are recognized when declared and approved by shareholders. The report also highlights the proposed final cash dividend for 2025 on page 278, which further supports the company's commitment to paying out dividends to its investors. Overall, the evidence suggests that the company has consistently paid dividends to its shareholders over the years. That concludes the financial summary for Yibin City Commercial Bank Co. Limited. Feel free to comment below, and I will be happy to answer them when possible.